Well, good day, and welcome to a new edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box, where today, pick this up, I'm going to be putting together a driving simulator. It's the Logitech Driving Force Shifter. This is compatible with, I'm pretty sure this is for a few systems. It's for the G29 and G920 Driving Force racing wheels. This currently goes on Amazon for, the lowest you can get it is $117.99. Right now I got it for cheaper than that, but I got it a while back. It's compatible with, if you got a PS4, Xbox One, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, and games that support Logitech force feedback racing steering wheels. What they say about this is, it's a 6-speed shifter with the push-down reverse. Let's give you some of the highlights here. It's got built-in mounting clamps, integrated bolt points. There was something else in here too. That's okay. It's got real steel aluminum and real leather. So we'll just take it out of the box and show you guys here. It's going to be putting a racing cab together. It's just one of the parts that would be kind of cool to have. Is what you get inside the box is there's your shifter. There's some instructions, but they're kind of stuck in the box. Well, that's just going to tell you how to hook it up, so we'll just leave that in there for now. I'll show you what it actually looks like here. This looks like it's a simple plug and play, but for Xbox and PlayStation 4, you might have to get an adapter because that's like a special plug on there. It's not the typical USB type. You got all your mounting gear here for to hook it to your racing cab. These just simply screw down. These adjust here with adjusting these two adjusters here. So what we're saying, all this looks like this is, you know, that's like a plastic. This is all leather here, leather wrapped shifter. And you want to shift the reverse, you just simply press it down. So if you want to have a more realistic racing sim, you'll have your actual shifter. I don't think it'll work with the clutch or anything, I don't think, but you'll just have that same simulation as driving stick. So you want to pick up one of these Logitech G Driving Force shifters, just check out on Amazon.ca. And I'll show you more updates as I'm putting the cab together and stuff, but this is going to be one of the pieces. So until next time, this has been TripleChip for Unbox the Box. Catch you in the next one soon. This vlog is over.